What's up, guys? We're up under my 13 Silverado, and today we're gonna be changing out Evap Canister. So if you ever get a code for the Evap, it's probably gonna be your canister, and also have a code for the fuel pressure sensor on top of the gas tank. So we're also gonna be doing that too. So here we go. So all I've done right here is this clip right here. You just squeeze it together on the bottom and pull it out, and then the canister sits in that little bracket right there. Just pull it out. So now all I gotta do is unplug the back of it and try to get that hose off the front right there. And I should be able to put the new one on and see if that works. Alright guys, as you can see, it's a totally different day because I forgot to film the other half of this. But pretty much, as you can see, I ended up getting the new Evap canister on. So when you go to buy one of these, if you don't already have the upgraded model, you have to get the new design system. So you'll pretty much cut the hose that I was talking about trying to get off that one and that one up top. You'll cut those hoses down because there's no way to get them off really. And then you'll clamp them into the new spots. It comes with hose piece and clamps. And then you'll just clip it right in. So pretty much after that install, I ended up I cleared the check engine light and I drove it. And I drove it pretty much about right around 100 miles. And I never got the light back, and I've drove it this past week. And the light's been out, so I'll say the Evap system was fixed completely. So if you want to, I'll put a link for the part. I got it off Amazon, so I'll throw the link in the description. And if any of you guys have any questions, shoot them in the comment section down below, and I can help you out any way I can. So with that being said, that's it for this video, finally. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.